This is so nice. Such a good idea. I love a little hiccup here and there. It's so cute. They just keep going, huh? So, have you been going to the climbing gym lately, or are you okay? Well, cheers to my favorite first date I've ever been on. Cheers. Okay, it's fine. I had to get this blouse dry cleaned anyway, so. Is this normal? Like, is this like a medical condition? I just wasn't aware. Like, oh my God.
I'm fine.
Maybe you should hold your breath to get rid of the hiccups. You know? Oh, no. Kareem, breathe. Kareem, breathe. Stop. Breathe. Oh my God. Should I call somebody?